Hi everybody, Shelby here. Today we are going to be whipping up a batch of these no-bake cookie dough bars. They also happen to be keto and vegan friendly, and they're using Nuzest Clean Lean Protein Powder. Nuzest Clean Lean Protein Powder is free of all artificial colors. It's vegan, non-GMO, dairy-free, and gluten-free. So it's a great protein powder to add into any recipe if you have any sensitivities. This no-bake cookie dough recipe is keto and vegan friendly, meaning there's no animal byproducts in this and there's low to no carbs and sugars. All you need is 1 or 2 mixing bowls, a baking pan, and you're well on your way to making these yummy and delicious and healthy-ish cookie dough bars. So without further ado, let's get mixing. And that's the way these no-bake cookie dough bars crumble. Delicious. As my teeth are falling off chocolate.